The universe. At first glance, it looks like nothing more than a dark and endless void, but in reality, every corner of it carries mysteries far beyond anything the human mind can fully grasp. When we look up at the night sky and see those tiny stars, we're only seeing a microscopic fraction of what truly exists out there, because we, as a species, live in a tiny corner of a single galaxy among trillions. And inside this unimaginable vastness, one question keeps echoing through our minds. Are we alone in the universe? The real scale of the Milky Way is something the human brain isn't built to comprehend. It holds around 400 billion stars, and scientists believe that most of these stars have at least one planet orbiting them. That means we're looking at the possibility of hundreds of billions of planets. Some could be rocky like Earth. Some might hold water. Some might have atmospheres capable of supporting complex chemistry. And when you put all of that together, the question grows even louder. If the universe is full of planets, where is everyone? NASA's Kepler and TESS telescopes have been scanning the sky with incredible sensitivity. So far, more than 5,000 planets have been discovered. Some of them lie within the habitable zone, the region where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist. Not too hot, not too cold, just right for life to potentially form. Take Kepler 452b, for example, a planet that looks surprisingly similar to Earth, or the TRAPPIST-1 system, a single star with 7 planets orbiting it. 3 of those planets might have Earth-like conditions. Imagine oceans moving under alien skies, winds shaping strange landscapes, and perhaps even moons rising in pairs over distant horizons. We simply don't know, yet. But discovering a planet capable of hosting life is only the beginning. Life itself is one thing. Intelligent life is a whole different challenge. Look at our own planet. Earth has been around for 4.5 billion years, but humans have only existed for about 300,000. Dinosaurs ruled the planet for 160 million years and yet never developed advanced intelligence. One asteroid changed everything and opened the path for us to exist. That shows how fragile and unlikely intelligent life really is. Maybe the universe is full of simple life, but almost completely empty of intelligent civilizations. Maybe billions of planets had the potential, but only a few stayed stable long enough for advanced beings to evolve. And this brings us to the famous Great Silence, the question scientists call the Fermi Paradox. If the universe has so many opportunities for life, then where is everyone? Why has no one contacted us? Why has not a single confirmed signal ever reached us? Why is the universe so incredibly quiet? There are several possibilities. Maybe we are early. Maybe humanity is one of the first intelligent species to emerge, and the others simply haven't appeared yet. Or maybe we are late. Perhaps powerful civilizations existed millions of years ago, but time erased every trace of them. Another possibility is more chilling. Maybe those civilizations exist, but they choose to remain hidden. Maybe there's a universal rule: stay silent, observe, but don't interfere. And we, without knowing it, are just watching shadows on the wall. There's also the problem of distance. Space is unimaginably vast. Our closest neighboring star system is over 4 light years away. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take 4 years to get there. With our current technology, we're not even close to achieving that. So maybe other civilizations are out there, but the distances between us are so enormous that communication becomes nearly impossible. Signals reach us weakened, distorted, or not at all. Yet despite the silence, humanity hasn't stopped searching. Every year, better telescopes are launched. Stronger radio antennas, more sensitive instruments. Maybe someday we will detect a faint, repeating signal from a distant star. Maybe another civilization will send a message into the dark, hoping someone like us is listening. And if that day comes, it would become the greatest discovery in human history. But there's another possibility. Maybe we truly are alone. Maybe humans are the only form of intelligent life in the entire universe. And if that's true, then our responsibility is enormous. Because we wouldn't just be one of many civilizations. We would be the universe's only voice, the only awareness, the only spark of consciousness trying to understand itself. Whatever the truth is, one thing is certain. Every time you look at the night sky, remember this: someone, somewhere, might be staring at their sky and asking the exact same question. Maybe they are wondering if someone else is out there too. Maybe one day our paths will cross. Until that day comes, humanity will keep exploring the darkness, because the answer we're looking for might be hidden in the light of a distant star.